Boy, this is what makes it worthwhile. You spend, tens of hours, hundreds of hours working on a sled, bringing it back to life. It's a 1963 Autoboggan K70 A with a 7 horsepower Kohler engine. Boy, that was fun going out in the yard today. I ran around that house about 25 to 30 times. I had a smile on my face. Man, that was just awesome. And you know what? It ran pretty good. I only have one problem, or well, actually two. It doesn't do very well in soft snow and got it stuck. Learned how to get it unstuck. And the other item, which is a little more serious, was that the throttle screw slipped a little bit, and when I took the throttle off, it continued to run, which made it difficult to shut the machine off. I had to stand at the back and use the switch that's in the points to turn it off. But we'll get a proper shut-off switch, kill switch put on it, and have it ready for the ride. I'm just stoked. This is just an awesome ride. You know what? They're all fun to ride. The Eliasson, the Bosac, the Snowbugs, they're all great. They're just something that you need to experience if you're a snowmobiler. You got to get out there, get on one of these, and realize that, the heritage of these machines and where they came from. It's no wonder they do a 100-mile ride in Nobbinway, Michigan for Top of the Lake Snowmobile Museum. The smiles, unbeatable. So have some fun, buy an old sled, get out there, restore it. It doesn't have to be restored to showroom condition for it to have some fun with it. It's just get it running, get it mechanically sound, make sure everything's safe, and have a blast. Thank you. And thank you to Alan Jewell. He was a big help on this. And Randy Nickerson, Kevin Archer, a whole raft of people helping out to make this happen. Thank you to the Hogesons in Blind River for allowing me to own this sled and honor their father and get it out on the snow. We'll see you at Old Hastings Snow Riders Show and Ride this week. Maybe it'll be there running, maybe it won't, but we'll have fun.